Hi guys, Rich here from Wild Wonderful Weekends, and today I wanted to give a short review of the very popular entry-level kayak, the Pelican Trailblazer 100NXT. This isn't going to be a very technical review, and it's not going to be a comparison with other kayaks. Instead, I'm going to kind of give you an idea about what you can expect as far as bang for your buck goes when you buy this kayak, and also what you can expect in terms of performance. The Pelican 100 NXT is an entry-level kayak and can be picked up for about $200 to $250. The Trailblazer is a nice-looking kayak. With its two-piece construction and two-tone color scheme, it really stands out. You can get this kayak in blue, orange, green, and of course pink. The body is constructed from Pelican's patented Ram X material, which is very strong and lightweight. Speaking of weight, let's take a look at the 100 NXT's specs. The kayak is 10 feet long, its beam width is 28 inches, its depth is only 14 inches, its cockpit width is 20.5 inches, and the cockpit length is 42.5 inches. It weighs right at about 36 pounds, and its maximum capacity weight is 275 pounds. On each end of the kayak there are corded carry handles. Bungee cords at the front of the kayak give you some limited capability of holding items in place. You can keep a bilge pump here. I use the very closest bungee cord to the cockpit as kind of a paddle keep. There's a small molded storage space in the dashboard and a molded drink holder at the front of the seat. The seat's cushioned and it feels nice for a kayak at this price point. The adjustable straps and relatively large backrest are nice too. Behind the seat is a fairly roomy cargo area with bungee nets to keep things in place. The cockpit has a nice open fill and provides plenty of space for comfort. Molded footrests in the hull give you plenty of purchase while you paddle and allow you to switch positions if you get tired. So now that we've gotten the specs and the features out of the way, let's see how the Trailblazer handles on the water. The Pelican 100 NXT is very stable in the water, so it's excellent for people who are just getting started in kayaking. The low center of gravity along with the hull shape and 10-foot length allow the Trailblazer to easily slice through the water, and it's a joy to paddle. The kayak tracks pretty well. Mine seems to veer just a little to the left, but that's probably due to my paddling technique more than the boat. It's important to keep in mind, though, that this kayak is intended for recreational use and should only be used on lakes and gentle rivers. Being a sit-inside kayak, if you take on too much water, it will sink. All in all, if you're looking to have some fun on the water and you don't want to spend a lot of money, it would be hard to beat the Pelican Trailblazer 100 NXT. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.